Hello, folks. Welcome to another episode of Building with Fuzen. So, you know that Fuzen is a no code platform helping users to build simple SaaS apps without any coding. Naturally, we have many users signing up on the platform every day looking to bring their SaaS ideas to life with our no code tools. And recently, we started asking our users what kind of SaaS apps they wanted to build, and nearly 60% of all users said that they want to build AI based SaaS apps. And many of these users have also written to us requesting for a video guide on how to build an AI based SaaS using Fuzen. So that's what we are doing in today's video. We are going to build a simple SaaS that leverages the power of generative AI to offer better solutions to their users. As an example, we are going to build an email marketing app, and in this app, we are going to add an AI chatbot that helps users to write cold emails. This is a very simple use case where my intention is to show you how you can add AI to power certain functionalities within your SaaS app. And you can use this as a reference for building your specific use case with Fuzen. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll start by creating a new app for email marketing. Once my app is created, I'm going to add some basic pages for adding UI to our email marketing app. I will fast track through some of this part. After adding some basic UI pages, let's add a page for AI email generator. This is where we will add AI integration that helps our users to create AI generated email content. So let's head over to this page and let's open up our no code page builder. So what I want to do on this page is to add basic chatbot where user can ask for certain kind of email content, and the chatbot is basically supposed to be an expert at writing emails. So it will respond with high quality email content, and the user can copy and use this email content further in their email campaigns. Now I'm going to start by adding a simple header. Next, I will look for a block that will let us add some AI capabilities. And here we can see we have an AI connector block, which is what we are going to use. To configure this block further, we will need to specify things like the AI model, where I'm going to select GPT-4o, which is a model by OpenAI. Now, please note that presently Fuzen only offers OpenAI integrations, but other integrations with other generative AI providers will be soon coming to the platform. Next, you will need to enter your OpenAI API key. You can get this key by creating an OpenAI developer account. Then log into your developer account, go to the settings page, head over to the your profile section, and then you can find the API keys tab. And this is where you'll find your API keys. If you don't already have one, you can create a new one by giving it a name. So once you have this API key, you can copy it and paste it in your AI connector block. So go back to fuzen.app, paste your API key in the AI connector block. Next, you can enter a system message which helps you customize the behavior of your AI powered chatbot. Basically, this system message will set the context for how OpenAI responds to the messages entered by the user. Since we are creating a chatbot to write email content, I'm going to instruct our AI model accordingly. Please note that this is where you can add some unique flavor to your AI chatbot. So be creative when you're crafting your system message. Fuzen gives us an option to save these chat conversations in the app database if we want to. So for example, if I wanted to save this chat history, I can do that by selecting a collection where this chat histories and all the messaging threads should be stored. But for the purpose of this video, I'm going to skip that part. So with these details in place, I'm going to add the AI connector block and then save the page HTML. Now it's time to test it. So I'm going to say that I want to create some email content for doing outreach for prospective customers for my agency. And let's see what we get. Oh, that's bigger than I expected. So I like my emails to be short and simple. So let me request for that. And okay, for this second one, the email content looks much better. So we can see that the chatbot is properly working now. Now, one more thing that we could do is, based on our learnings from this email creation, we can always go back to our AI connector block and update the system message to instruct AI to always keep these emails very short and simple. So we can look at how the AI chatbot is performing, and accordingly we can tweak our system message. So when we iterate our AI connector block a few times, we will have a very efficient AI wrapper which responds with very high accuracy. But that will happen after a few iterations. But for today's video, I'm going to stop over here. And for now, you will have a fair idea of how you can use Fuzen's AI connector to address different use cases in your SaaS app. So here are some things that will be helpful when you're building your AI wrapper. Number one, be creative when crafting your system message. This is basically the foundation of your AI bot. Second, based on the responses, you can tweak the system message and keep iterating the system message until you get the desired results. This iterative process is going to make your AI bot super effective. You can also use a fine-tuned AI model to get perfectly customized responses from the AI connector. So, what are some use cases where you can use the power of generative AI? We already saw how good it is for creating marketing content and writing copies. So, that's one obvious area. You can also use your AI chatbot as an expert in certain areas, for example, counseling, help desk, etc. I will leave the rest to your imagination and creativity. I hope you're able to use our AI connector to create some awesome apps. We'll look forward to hearing from you guys regarding what you're building. And if you need any help, please let us know in the comments. Please give us a thumbs up if you liked the video. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.